What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Tutorial Tuesdays, and today I'm going to be showing you a trick to get started in pen spinning. I believe the trick is called the thumb around. Now it looks a little something like this. It's not too difficult, should work with almost any pen, and is pretty fun to do when you're bored in class or in the office. This is what it looks like in slow motion, so you can see exactly what's happening. And for anyone who is left-handed like me, it looks like this. Now first, take your Nick Thomas branded pen and put your pointer finger on the end of the pen that you don't write with. Then place your middle finger about halfway down on the back side of the pen. Your thumb should naturally end up about halfway in between on the opposite side of your middle finger. Apply pressure with your thumb, and once you're pushing hard enough, release your pointer finger from the end, which will cause the pen to flip around your finger. Not enough pressure and it will look like this, but too much pressure and it'll do this. Keep practicing and changing up the amount of pressure you apply with your thumb until you're getting it consistently. Try and see how many times in a row you can get it. Each pen spins a little bit differently, so if you were ever trying it with a new pen, you might need to take a few tries to figure out how much pressure you will need to apply. If you haven't mastered and are looking for a challenge, try learning it with the opposite hand. You should be able to get it quicker than you learned it the first time, but it will probably feel uncomfortable when first learning. If you have any questions or problems, please let me know in the comments and I'll try my best to help. If you weren't already, please subscribe to my channel. I'm almost at 1,000 subs at the time of making this video and I'm really trying to get there. So thank you for watching. Peace.